Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I kind of wanted to make a remake of the video I posted a few days ago about my original World War I British helmet. I wanted to kind of give you guys some more information on it and ways to tell the difference between this and the American helmet, which is very, very similar. So first thing we'll talk about is the paint and texture. So on this helmet, which is the British, the paint was brush applied. So it's kind of hard to tell out here because of the texture, but once we start taking a look at the inside, you'll be able to see the brush strokes more clear. But yes, these helmets were brush painted, and the texture is river gravel as opposed to the Americans use sawdust. The way that the Americans painted their helmets was different from the British, because the Americans actually dipped the helmets in paint as to where the British brush painted them. So we'll get a nice look here at the gravel. Still a lot of it is on there. This helmet has a lot of original paint still. And here in just a second we'll take a look at the inside. Alright, so here's the inside of the helmet. We can see we got the liner here. The chin strap's missing, unfortunately, but that's okay. So when you're looking at this helmet and looking at an American helmet, the first thing that's going to pop is the bails here, the little rivets where the chin strap connects. Excuse me. On the British helmets, they're going to be a split pin, as opposed to the Americans, where it's a single rivet. So that is a key thing to look for when trying to figure out if it's an American or a British helmet. Another thing too I want to talk about real quick, I mentioned, was the brush paint. And if you look along the rim here, you can see brush strokes. So let's talk a little bit about the liner. So if you're looking at an American helmet and a British helmet side by side, the liners are visually the same almost. They both have the tar, paper, or cloth liners. They both have the felt material there in the dome. But the one detail that the British did that the Americans didn't is there's a little rubber donut in here, and this one's still underneath the felt material. The British did not, or excuse me, the Americans did not adopt that. So here in just a second, we'll take a look at the manufacturer stamp on here and talk a little bit about that. So here we have a FS151, which means this helmet was manufactured by a company called Thomas Firth and Sons, located in Sheffield, England. Markings you will typically find on American helmets often start with a Z, and then there'll be a series of numbers. Sometimes American helmets won't even be marked, from my understanding. So that's another thing to look for. Oh, I'll also show you guys the size of the helmet. It's marked 6 3/4, which is about a 55 centimeter size liner, if I'm not mistaken. So pretty small liner. Alright, so that's pretty much all I have for this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If I missed anything, please let me know. I'm learning about these helmets just like you are. I'm new to them, so I'm trying to study as much as I can and learn. But overall, this is an excellent example. of an original World War I British Brodie helmet. So, thanks again for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.